There you go. Got another one. All right, got another one.
Good, I'm just filming. You boys are fishing.
Yeah, you might want to bring it in.
Talk to me. You good?
Yeah.
All right.
You're coming up and over you. Go to the back, baby. Yeah. Careful, he's coming at you.
He's just singing. Any jumpers? Talk to me, Frankie. Where is he?
On the top.
Talk to me, Butch.
I'm good. He's going that way. He's going up there.
All right, I'm waiting for Frankie to see what the hell is.
Can't do nothing, buddy.
Oh, you can get that anchor. Shit. Come on, control him, Frankie. What the hell does he always say to us? Control him!
There he is.
Good boy. We're gonna see how good he really is now. You want me to back up over here?
Round the front. Round the front. You gotta watch it.
I'm watching. I got you both. We're fine. By the way, Frankie, I'm filming all this, so something you can watch in your spare time.
Go to the right. Oh, oh, oh.
It's in neutral. Just a hair. I'd like to see you boys do a double jump, please. Oh, Butch is off. That's all right. That's right. It's good. It's good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Woo. Got him? Nice! Yeah, baby! Nice! Nice!